Hey guys, Christian here with the SB Luxury Group. This is your San Juan Capistrano February housing market update. A lot has happened. We're in the first 40-50 days of the year here, and housing has changed a lot. In the last quarter of the year, November and December specifically, housing slowed down. It was the first time we've seen a slowdown in housing since the beginning of pandemic times. What happened were buyers that got into properties in November and December, when very few people were out shopping, they lucked out. Rates were still super low. Inventory was there, but there wasn't nearly as much demand. Now, what we were telling our clients, because we were hearing it from so many people, is that everybody's waiting till the beginning of the year. In the beginning of the year, 2022, demand went absolutely absurd. Demand numbers were up about 20% from December going through January. And what did that lead to? It led to prices continuing to increase, even though the big topic of conversation right now is inflation and interest rates. Interest rates right now are hovering between 4 and 5%. They're moving all over the place right now, but what we're getting to is that we are back to pre-pandemic interest rate numbers. In the reality of it, if you look at the last 18 months, 2 years, interest rates have spiked is what everyone's saying right now. However, if you look out at a larger picture, interest rates are at all-time lows still. We've been saying that for the last 2 years, but anybody that thought that 2.5% interest rates were going to stay around for a long time hasn't looked at the economy and what's going on. You can buy a house in Orange County or anywhere and be under a 5% interest rate. That is an absolute steal. What else is happening? San Juan Capistrano, we have had a median list price of $3 million. So the luxury market in San Juan Capistrano is seeing a lot of activity. Having said that, your average price houses in Orange County are continuing to increase. The average home sold in the last 30 days went from $3.59 million to $3.77. Those are huge numbers. We're seeing a lot of those luxury estates sell. Having said that, the property that's been on the market that's the highest priced in San Juan was originally listed for like $11 million. Still on the market. It's the famous Wish House, more of a castle than a house. That's listed currently at $9.2 million. It's been on the market for about a year. What is pending? It's really stable. Your average home, your typical San Juan Capistrano homeowner is in that $1.5 million range. In the last 30 days, your median sold price actually went down a tick, but your average price is almost exactly the same, right around that 1.5 range. Let's go back to the average and the median. So your median sale price in the last month in San Juan Capistrano is 1.145, which is actually lower than we're used to seeing. Last month it was actually $1.4 million, quite a bit lower. That just means more of what we've been seeing is there are more of the normal homes, meaning more your average price homes selling right now than those luxury estates. And in the last month, your typical sales price, your average median sale price was right under $1.5 million. If you have any questions what your home is worth in San Juan Capistrano, or if you're looking to get into the market, you know where to reach us. Thanks for watching.